Watching How a Creeper Walks memes pushes us back in time to early TikTok, back when the social media platform was transitioning between the remnants of the Musical.ly community to the flood of new TikTok users, and clips like the "Join us for a bite" trend were insanely popular. This is because How a Creeper Walks was, of course, created back in 2020 by Positive Cosplay LOL, and certainly encapsulated many of the prominent fashions and anime-inspired styles of that time. As a result, there is no doubt a massive acceptance of the fact that that era on TikTok was overrun by those particular trends, especially of people moving and dancing in that very particular way, pulling specifically overly exaggerated facial expressions and movements. In 2024, there does seem to be a certain nostalgia for that era, as it lasted for years until ultimately being deemed cringe by even those who took part in it. But now, accounts such as Kex's started using Viggle, a program known for spurring on the Little Yachty walkout, to essentially replace Positive Cosplay LOL with iconic characters back in mid-May. In the end, what really made this meme go stratospheric was arguably the young Sheldon iterations, as watching the little man and his family doing the Minecraft boogie just fits so perfectly in an odd but expected manner. At first glance, it seems like regular brain rot, but of course, with all genres of brain rot, there is a genuine history and context behind the ridiculous words, phrases, and memes seen on screen. As stated prior, the How a Creeper Walks clips exist because they refer to a very specific time in the internet's existence that was experienced by millions on a quantifiable level. Especially during the height of the pandemic in 2020, when TikTok really began to find its feet as an app utilized by so many people. It isn't as if it's impossible to see this style of video produced in 2024, it's just that it's far more likely to see nostalgia for it expressed by newer memes. However, the How a Creeper Walks trend has been revived from the dead by AI like an exploitable zombie. One cannot ignore the fact that AI is steadily changing meme culture by reviving old trends as ironic pieces. Instead of human beings recreating this famous clip produced by Positive Cosplay LOL, meme creators are using machines to do it instead, perhaps acting as a precursor to what we might expect from the future of meme culture. In short, the How a Creeper Walks memes being represented via AI may set a new precedent for edits going forward, but it also signals nostalgia for an online era marking the transition between the remnants of Musical.ly fans and the flood of new TikTok users. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.